Hi, thanks so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Today I'm going to cook tapioca, or show you how to prepare tapioca seeds or pearls. Before we get into the video, I'd just like to say rest in peace, Queen Elizabeth II. Condolences to your family, and today is a really historic day. I'm not particularly a royal, but that's history in the making right there. So rest in peace, Queen Elizabeth II. So let's get to the recipe. So I'm going to be using the small tapioca seeds. Some people might know tapioca as yucca or cassava. So for 400 grams of tapioca, I'm going to use 5 cups of water, or 1.2 litres of water that's straight from the kettle, so we can get started in the cooking process straight away. And we're just going to simply put the tapioca in. We don't need to wash it before we do it. It just helps give a little bit of a stir, make sure the tapioca isn't sticking. And we want to do this on a low heat. I'm going to put a lid on. As soon as it's bubbling, I'm going to leave it for about 5 minutes, and we'll come back in 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, it's come to the boil. Just give it a brief stir again. Make sure the tapioca isn't sticking to the pan or to one another. And this is the time we put the lid back on, and we turn it down to a minimum heat. We come back in 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes of gentle simmering, you can see the tapioca has changed colour from white to a transparent, and there's still a little bit of white specks in, so it's about 90% cooked at the moment. Again, give it a little stir, and you just need to let that cool down. Let's turn the heat off and just let the final parts of the tapioca cook, and we'll come back in about another 5 minutes. I've allowed that to cool down for about 5 minutes, and our little pearls of joy are fully cooked. So I've got a conical sieve here. So once your tapioca is in the sieve, now it's just time to run cold water through to get rid of all that very gelatinous or glutinous water. If your sieve isn't big enough, just do it in stages. It's the last batch, and you can see very translucent. Here goes. That's all my tapioca, fully cooked, ready for one savoury recipe and one sweet recipe to follow. Thank you very much for watching. Feel free to like, share and subscribe.